हरी भरी ये धरती अपनी, नदियां गाए मीठा गान, पेड़ों की छाँव में बसता हम सबका प्यारा जहां। धुआं धुआं ये आसमां क्यों सूख रही हर एक डाली, आओ मिलकर कसम ये खाएं, फिर से होगी धरती प्यारी। बचाओ बचाओ पर्यावरण, यही है जीवन का कारण। पेड़ लगाओ, जल बचाओ, खुशियों से भर दो आंगन।
आप सुन रहे हैं विद्या प्रभात, सुबह सवेरे। दिन नया दुनिया नई, दुनिया नई बातें कई।
Hello everyone, welcome to today's special podcast. I am Aryan Jeswani and with me is my friend Tejaswini.
Hello everyone, we are happy to have you with us. Today we will talk about two important observances, National Conservation Day and World Hepatitis Day. These days remind us that protecting our environment and protecting our health are both our responsibility.
Have you ever imagined a world without clean air, green trees, fresh water or beautiful birds? It would be difficult to live in such a world. That is why conservation is so important.
Conservation means using our natural resources wisely and protecting them for future generations. Every drop of water, every tree, every animal and every patch of green land plays an important role in maintaining the balance of nature.
Many forests are disappearing because of deforestation. Rivers are getting polluted and many animals are losing their homes. Climate change is becoming a serious challenge for the whole world.
But there is a good news. Every small action matters. We can save water by closing taps properly. We can reduce plastic use by carrying cloth bags. We can plant trees, keep our surrounding clean and switch off lights and fans when they are not needed.
As students, we may think our actions are too small, but remember, every big change begins with one small step. If each one of us protects nature, together we can protect our planet. Let us make a promise today. I'll respect nature, save water, reduce waste and protect the earth because there is no planet B.
सुनो जरा ये धरती की पुकार है, प्रकृति का अनुपम उपहार है। हर सांस जो चलती है आज उसका यही आधार है, इसमें ही तो संसार है, जीवन का हर विचार है। सूरज की रोशनी में चमकता सवेरा, हर किरण से मिलता है सुनहरा सवेरा। नीला अंबर उड़ते बादल सपनों जैसे दिखते जंगल, हरियाली का गहना पहने धरती माँ मुस्काती रहने।
आप सुन रहे हैं विद्या प्रभात, सुबह सवेरे।
सच्चा सपा
प्रकृति का उपहार संभालो, हरियाली का दीप जलाओ। एक बीज तुम आज बो, कल पेड़ की छाया पाओ। जो इसे बचाएगा वो सच्चा योद्धा कहलाएगा। प्रकृति है जीवन का सार, इसी में छिपा है असली संसार।
Now let us move to another important topic, World Hepatitis Day, observed every year on 20th July. Tejaswini, can you share some information about hepatitis?
Yes, sure. Hepatitis is a disease that causes inflammation of liver. The liver is one of the most important organs in our body. It helps digest food, store energy, and removes harmful substances from our blood.
There are different types of hepatitis, such as hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E. Some types spread through contaminated food or water, while others spread through infected blood or unsafe medical practices.
The worrying fact is that many people do not even know they have hepatitis because the symptoms may not appear immediately. That is why awareness and early testings are very important.
We can protect ourselves by following simple habits. Wash your hands before eating, drink clean and safe water, eat hygienic food, take recommended vaccinations, especially for hepatitis A and B. Never share needles or personal items like razors and toothbrushes.
If someone has hepatitis, they deserve our care and support, not fear or discrimination. Kindness and understanding can help people recover with confidence.
You may wonder, what is the connection between conservation and hepatitis?
The answer is simple. A healthy environment helps create healthy people. Clean water prevents many diseases. Pollution-free surroundings improve our quality of life. When we protect nature, we also protect ourselves.
Our earth is our home, and our body is the home of our life. Both deserve care, respect, and responsibility. Dear listeners, today's message is not just to listen, it's to act. Plant one tree, save 1 liter of water, keep your surroundings clean, follow healthy habits, encourage your family to stay informed about hepatitis.
Remember, the future of our planet and the health of our people depend on the choices we make today. Small acts of responsibility can create a brighter tomorrow.
Let us end with a beautiful thought. Nature gives us life, health gives us strength. Protect both and you protect the future.
Thank you for listening. Let us all become responsible citizens who care for our environment and our health.
Thank you. Stay healthy, stay responsible. Jai Hind.
स्वास्थ्य का पावन नाम, जीवन का सुंदर धाम। जागरूकता से जीवन बचे, हर कदम पे सावधानी रखे। बीमारी को पहचानो, समय रहते संभालो। स्वास्थ्य की राह हर मन बोले, जीवन का दीप दिल में खोले। हेपेटाइटिस डे जागरूकता का मान, स्वास्थ्य की रक्षा सबसे महान। हेपेटाइटिस डे जीवन का गीत, सुरक्षा की राह दिल के करीब।
आप सुन रहे हैं विद्या प्रभात सुबह सवेरे। सुनते रहे सुबह सवेरे, स्वस्थ रहे मस्त रहे।